you will need a pair of green disposable coaxial hoses, 2 clear coaxial connectors, a clear disposable tension slide, disposable or single-use clear view hood assembly, disposable clear vacuum Y connector, a fresh gas hose, a fresh gas Y connector, and a Porter Brown vacuum assembly with Porter Brown vacuum block. Now, these pieces here, 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 and here are all single use. These can be from your main kit. Start with your hood, insert the coaxial connectors. Okay, let's take a tension slide, noting the large and the small, and also you can see here it's tapered as well. Slide that on, it's very easy. Take your hood and push onto the coaxial hoses. Now your clear vacuum Y connector noting it goes on this cutout section, much like the Porter Brown breathing system. Now your fresh gas Y connector, your fresh gas hose, use a twisting motion, and then your Porter Brown vacuum hose. And there's the completed system.